I love this one. I maybe twirl around. Just do a little hair tutorial. Hi everyone, I am Kia Styles and today I'm going to do a video to show you all how to get our famous Boombae beach wave. So I start off with, I always part my hair in the centre anyways. So just get a nice paddle brush, brush it all through, make sure it's nice and like not ain't good. So give it a good brush. Then you're going to want to just separate it. I do take quite big sections as well. So I usually take really big sections. So you want to start at the back. GHD, clamp, turn away. So when you're coming to the end, you're going to leave this bit out and then just twist it. It looks a bit weird now, but trust the process. Another little trick what I always do with the length, like the last layer, just you want to keep it as long as you possibly can to make your hair look longer. So I don't go too high or too tight with the wave. And always bring it away from your face. So away from the side you're working on. This way, this way. I just use the TG Rockaholic hairspray because it's just nice and light. Wind it up. I'm trying to do something fun. New boots. New boots. Top set. Clamp just once and bring it down. I actually think this is like a lot quicker and a lot easier than even straightening hair. Once you get the knack to it, that's it. I love this one. As you can see, the higher up that I'm getting, I'm going a lot higher to the root, just to give you that little mucho volume. Lovely. So obviously with the right hand side, you're going to be bringing it away from the face. Remember, each side you're doing, you bring it away. Especially on that nice Farrah Fawcett flick. Also another tip, do not hold the hair straightener like really tight, just let it glide through nice and smooth. You just get a nicer finish. If you end up like jagging it, you're going to end up with dents in the hair and no one likes that. So without me. Bye! To me back and change my mind. Also, just have it, another little tip. When you are bringing this straightener down, bring it at an angle like this, so you're going to get more like a beach wave effect. If you bring it down super straight, you're just going to end up with more like a curly effect. That's better. Again, bring the higher to the root this time. Also helps if you listen to J-Lo while you're doing it. Then when it's done, you want to look at it and make sure the ends are nice and straight. So I kind of go over them a little bit. all curly. So then we're going to want to wait 5 minutes. That was 5, not 4. Just my little bendy finger. I need to twirl around. So then I always go with Rockaholic. It's like a dry shampoo, but it just adds some texture and like dries it all up. So I just go right in. Then you want to get yourself a really cool comb like this, like a white tooth comb. They're just really good, or either this or a fro comb. Anyone will work. I just preferably use this. Start at the end. It will be a bit stiff because all the hairspray. So just if you're doing it on clients, make sure you just hold the root area so it's not going to pull. Ain't your mama. And there you have it, Boombae Beach Waves. Thank you for watching everyone. Please subscribe to our channel for more transformations and more cool beach waves.